What if the most powerful weapon in your agricultural arsenal wasn't a chemical, but a tiny microscopic ally? So let's start by meeting our smallest, but perhaps smartest partner, Trichogramma, a truly microscopic ally.
ABZ Innovation. We build drones.
Hello everyone, welcome to ABZ Innovation, where we develop and manufacture heavy-duty action drones. In this episode, we discuss how ancient biology meets state-of-the-art innovation. Join us as we uncover how to utilize Trichogramma with a level of precision previously thought impossible. Agriculture faces a massive challenge. Pests like the European corn borer, or scientifically known as Ostremia nubilalis, and the cotton bollworm Helicoverpa armigera, like bugs, cause severe damage worldwide, especially in crops such as corn. These insects are not just a biological problem, they are a major economic threat, destroying yields and cutting profits year after year. For decades, the standard response was simple: more chemicals. But we are reaching the limit of that strategy. What happens when pests develop resistance? And what about soil health, biodiversity, and long-term sustainability? This is where Trichogramma wasp enters the picture. These aren't just insects. I mean, they are, but they are more than that. They are nature's smart missiles. Unlike traditional pesticides that try to kill the larvae after they have hatched and started eating your crop, Trichogramma prevents the damage before it even begins. These tiny, parasitic wasps seek out the eggs of the pest moth and lay their own eggs inside them. The result? The pest embryo never develops, which is good. The cycle is broken and your crop remains protected. This is the ultimate form of biological warfare and protection: effective, proactive, and chemical-free. So why is the agricultural world shifting toward this biological solution? Because the advantages are undeniable. First, it is completely selective. Trichogramma targets only the specific pest eggs. It ignores beneficial insects, pollinators, and has zero impact on humans or the environment. Second, there is no resistance risk. Chemicals lose their effectiveness over time as pests adapt. But pests cannot adapt to the fact that the bug is literally eating them. This makes Trichogramma a truly future-proof strategy. Third, think about food safety. In a market that demands cleaner, healthier produce, using Trichogramma means pesticide residue-free crops. This isn't just good ethics. It isn't just about health. It increases the market value of your product. While the initial setup might seem more complex than a chemical spray, the long-term reality is cost-effectiveness. You save on chemicals, you preserve your soil ecosystem, and you secure your yield. But knowing the solution is only half the story. Applying it, it's another. Traditionally, Trichogramma is delivered in small polystyrene capsules containing the wasp eggs. In past, these were applied by hand. Workers had to walk through vast fields, often in difficult terrain. The result? It was slow, labor-intensive, and worst of all, uneven. Uneven distribution means uneven protection. If you miss a spot, the pests survive. So, how do we solve this logistical challenge? We take it to the skies. At ABZ Innovation, we develop a full system that includes a specialized spreader designed specifically to deliver Trichogramma capsules precisely where they are needed. This isn't about spreading volume, it's about delivering life precisely. To deploy this, all you need is a small L10 or M12 drone and the Trichogramma system, which is plug and play with the drone platform. Together, these drones, equipped with the Trichogramma system, solve the biggest limitations of ground application. They are completely soil independent. Muddy fields, tall crops, the drone flies above the problem. Moving on, they ensure uniformity, delivering a scientifically consistent distribution of capsules across the entire field. And They bring speed. Hard-to-reach areas can now be treated in minutes instead of hours. With an 8-liter tank capacity, these machines can carry over 800 capsules in a single flight, turning days of manual labor into a quick automated mission. So basically all you need is a drone equipped with the system to plan an automatic mission, and you can cover 20, even 30 hectares in a single hour. However, one critical factor must never be overlooked. Timing is everything, especially in this case. You cannot deploy this whenever you feel like it. The release must coincide with the peak swarming of the target pest. If you miss this window, you miss the protection. They also recommend a multi-stage approach. A single flight is rarely enough. Plan for 2 to 3 applications, spaced 7 to 14 days apart to cover the entire egg-laying cycle of the moth. Environmental conditions also matter. Remember, you're releasing living organisms. Treat them with care and they will protect your crops. Avoid strong winds and rain and try to stay below 30 degrees. The best time to fly? Early morning or late afternoon, when the air is calm and the sky is overcast. And finally, handle your payload with care. Keep the capsules refrigerated between 4 and 9 degrees Celsius until the moment of flight. Avoid direct sunlight. If the wasps die in the box, they can protect your field. Now let's recap the key point. Trichogramma protection is no longer just an alternative. It is a necessity for modern, sustainable farming. But biology alone isn't enough. It needs technology to scale. By combining the natural efficiency of these microscopic warriors with the precision of a suitable drone platform, you are doing more than just controlling pests. You are implementing a strategy that is environmentally friendly, economically sound, and highly reliable. I really hope you found this video as interesting as the topic itself is useful for sustainability, and thanks for watching.
ABZ Innovation. We build drones.